Today, we're diving into the world of healthy oils. We'll compare two popular choices, virgin olive oil and virgin canola oil. Let's explore their health effects and see how they stack up against each other. On the surface, olive oil has 14% saturated fat and canola oil has only 7% saturated fat. So, even though canola oil has more healthier fats, olive oil has proven its value over centuries. If you compare the prices, olive oil is at least double the price of canola oil. My choice is olive oil for salad dressings and canola oils for most other cookings. Virgin olive oil, nature's ancient health elixir. Virgin olive oil has been a staple in Mediterranean diets for centuries, and for good reason. It's packed with antioxidants and vitamin E, which help reduce free radical damage and slow down cell aging. This liquid gold is also rich in monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart. One of the standout features of virgin olive oil is its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains a compound called oleocanthal, which works similarly to ibuprofen. In fact, about 3.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil have the same effect as 10% of the recommended dose of ibuprofen for pain relief. Pretty impressive, right? But wait, there's more. Virgin olive oil is a champion when it comes to heart health. Studies show that consuming just 1 tablespoon, 13.5 grams, of olive oil per day can reduce the risk of coronary heart disease by 18% over the long term. It works by lowering bad LDL cholesterol and increasing good HDL cholesterol. For those watching their blood sugar, virgin olive oil is a great choice. It's low on the glycemic index and helps regulate average blood sugar levels. Research suggests that consuming 1 to 1.5 tablespoons, 15 to 20 grams of extra virgin olive oil daily can significantly decrease the risk of type 2 diabetes. Virgin olive oil might also be your new weight loss buddy. Its polyphenols can help with body weight reduction and management. These compounds boost metabolism, promote feelings of fullness, and help control appetite. A 2022 study found that including extra virgin olive oil in your diet can reduce body fat and lower bad cholesterol oxidation. But let's not forget about brain health. Wait, there is more, but do not forget to hit the like button if you have found this video useful so far. Olive oil consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. It's like brain food. Virgin canola oil has come to the market recently. It is the heart-healthy and wallet-healthy alternative. Now, let's talk about virgin canola oil. It is made by squeezing the canola seed. While it might not have the ancient pedigree of olive oil, it's certainly making a name for itself in the health world. Canola oil is a superstar when it comes to heart health. It's low in saturated fat and high in monounsaturated fat, making it an excellent choice for those looking to improve their cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that canola oil-based diets can significantly reduce total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol levels. But canola oil doesn't stop at heart health. It's also been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is great news for those at risk of or managing diabetes. Plus, it's rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that's essential for brain function and may reduce inflammation. One of the unique benefits of canola oil is its versatility in cooking. It has a high smoke point, which means it can be used for various cooking methods without breaking down and producing harmful compounds. Canola oil is also a good source of vitamin E, providing about 2.4 milligrams per tablespoon. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and skin health. Research has shown that replacing saturated fats with canola oil can lead to a 7% reduction in total cholesterol and a 10% reduction in LDL cholesterol. That's significant when it comes to heart disease risk. But how much canola oil should you consume? The US Food and Drug Administration suggests that about 1.5 tablespoons, 19 grams, of canola oil daily may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. But remember, this is when it replaces a similar amount of saturated fat in your diet. The Showdown, virgin olive oil vs virgin canola oil. So, how do these two oils compare? Both are heart-healthy options that can help lower cholesterol levels. But they each have their unique strengths. Virgin olive oil takes the lead when it comes to antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory properties. Its oleocanthal content gives it a unique edge in pain relief and inflammation reduction. Canola oil, on the other hand, has a more favorable omega-3 to omega-6 ratio, which can be beneficial for overall health. It also tends to be less expensive than olive oil, making it a more budget-friendly option for everyday cooking. When it comes to weight loss, virgin olive oil seems to have a slight edge. Its polyphenols have been more extensively studied for their effects on metabolism and appetite control. For diabetes management, both oils show promise. Olive oil's low glycemic index and canola oil's positive effects on insulin sensitivity make them both good choices for blood sugar control. In terms of cooking versatility, canola oil wins out due to its higher smoke point. This makes it better suited for high-heat cooking methods like frying. Virgin olive oil is best used in low-heat cooking or as a finishing oil to preserve its delicate flavors and health benefits. Both oils have been associated with reduced risk of certain cancers, but more research is needed in this area. So, which oil should you choose? The truth is, both virgin olive oil and virgin canola oil can be part of a healthy diet. The best approach might be to use both, taking advantage of their unique benefits. Try using canola oil for your high-heat cooking needs and save your virgin olive oil for salad dressings, dips, and low-heat cooking. This way, you'll get the best of both worlds, health benefits and culinary versatility. Remember, while these oils are healthy, they're still fats and should be consumed in moderation. The recommended daily intake is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil per day. Incorporating these healthy oils into your diet is just one part of maintaining overall health. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, along with regular exercise, is key to optimal health. So, next time you're in the grocery store, don't stress about which oil to choose. Both virgin olive oil and virgin canola oil are excellent options. Pick one, or better yet, pick both. Your heart, brain, and taste buds will thank you. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe. On the screen, you see a few videos related to more healthy cooking ideas. Thanks very much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.